Hi, welcome to this tutorial on Google Classroom. This tutorial is just a reminder of how to use Google Classroom with your students and to set up your assignments and different things. Now, to create a Google Classroom, all you have to do is click on the plus sign and click Create Class. Enter the class name, which is the only thing that's required. But if you add a section and a subject and a room number, it helps your students a little bit more. Once you have created your classroom, click on the class, and this is what you will see. Up here, it will show you class code, which you can give your students to join your class. And then if you use Google Meets to meet with your students during remote learning, click on the link here. Now, the first tab you see on Google Classroom is the stream. This is where you share information with your class. On this page, I have things I have shared, so I will click to share something with my class. I get to choose the class I want to share it with. If it's information you have, because you have several classes and you do the same thing with those classes, you can choose all the classes and send them the same message. You type in the information that you want. Type the information you want your students to have. If you have a video clip you want to add to it, you would add it right here, and you could go from your drive, a link that you want them to see, a file from your computer, or a YouTube video that you want them to have. When you want to post it, you can post it right away. You can schedule a time for it to be posted. So maybe you do the work the day before and you want it to go out 7 a.m. in the morning. You could schedule that time, and then you could save it as a draft because you haven't finished working on it and you want to come back to it. So I'm going to save this as a draft, and it saves. Up here you should see saved announcement, so you can always go back and work on it. The next tab we have is the classwork tab. This is where you put all the assignments and tasks that you want your students to perform. I like to create topics for my students so that it's easy for them to find information based on the units that we are talking about. If we're talking about design or photojournalism for my yearbook class, I would create all the topics. Now, to create an assignment, all I have to do is click the create. Then I choose what it is. If it's an assignment, a quiz assignment, a question so that we can have some discussions in class, a material, whatever. And this is where you would create the topic that you want. So I'm going to create a new topic starting here. And I'm going to add it. And there it is. And then for that, I'm just going to create an assignment. You get the idea. And then there are no points, it's ungraded. I want all my students to have it. Graded category, because I'm not grading it, it's not graded. Do I have a due date? I could choose a due date to be the 19th, which is when school starts. There's no time, 11:59 is the default if you click on it. Then I will add a topic, so starting the year is what I want it to be. You can add a rubric if you want. If you have a rubric already set up, you can create a rubric. If it's something that you have already created, you can reuse it, or you can create it in Google Sheets and then import it from Sheets and it will put it there, which makes grading easy for you. If it's a writing assignment, you can grade, you can check plagiarism. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.